Hi, everybody.
Hello.
Okay, time has come to get this over here, and to build this huge 3D printer that I have wanted for a long time. What I actually wanted was something large enough to build ridiculous costuming props all at once in one print. And Ben found this one on sale for less than half of its normal price. It's a Monoprice. It is, as close as we can tell, pretty darn close to the same thing as a Creality CR10, which is a large format 3D scale 3D printer. And it was a splurge buy that I made. I don't do that very often.
It is an open box.
It's an open box, and that is why it was so inexpensive. So we're about to find out if that gamble is going to pay off. Okay.
Lift it up and show them how it's packed.
Okay. This thing is really heavy, by the way.
It's really freaking big. There's my hand compared to it.
That's the print bed right there. And somebody has already made the first print. Well, here, let's get this. Okay, so we got a box here. Let's see what's in the box. In the box, looks like the extruder, print head assembly itself, wiring. What is that? The spool holder?
Spool holder.
Spool holder.
It's already made. Somebody put it together already.
Yeah, a lot of this stuff is already assembled. A spare hot end.
There's the SD card in here.
There is an SD card. Oh, there it is.
That doesn't tell you how big it is.
SD card, we have no idea how big that SD card is, but hey, it's got the little Monoprice symbol on it, so that's cool. Network cable, a little bit of filament and whatever that was that I just dropped. Okay, let's get there is one of the, what is that, the crossbar arm on the top, do you think?
Probably.
It's got a number on it, so it's got two numbers on it, two different numbers.
I don't know.
So we'll see what that's about. I'll imagine that's the crossbar for the top of it. Okay. Looks like the base is already completely assembled, and it is really heavy. Yeah, hold that down. Jeez. All right. Well, this is going to be a quick build.
Really quick.
Or at least quicker than the 3-hour build we did last time. Okay.
The only other thing in the box over here.
Okay. So the only other thing in the box is, looks like the vertical arms, the Z-axis arms are right here. And that's basically it. Okay, so the advantage of buying this thing unboxed already is there's going to be a lot less effort, or at least that's what it looks like so far.
It probably does come all assembled on the bottom.
Do you think?
It fit too well in the packaging to not be.
I am looking at some scuffs and a couple of dents on the build plate. I don't know. It looks like the hot end may have come down and
definitely
really
over and printed over here.
Really dragged hard on the build plate.
Doesn't matter. You're gonna oh, it's magnetic.
It's a magnetic build plate. Look at that. Okay. Well, that's going to make it easy.
Yeah.
Because then you just... Looks like no one even bothered taking this off once they printed it. That's really weird. That's nice. Butterfly. So, detachable build or cover for the build plate that's magnetic. That's pretty sweet. So technically, I mean, the build plate's untouched.
Yeah.
It's just this cover for it.
Cheap piece. I would change it to PEI anyway.
Oh, would you? Of course you would.
Yeah.
There's a little bit of residue here.
The print quality is really nice.
Yeah, it looks okay. I mean, it's not Prusa level or anything, but
pretty nice print for whoever printed on it. They printed a brim on it. Popped off the brim real easy.
Wow, it really did. How about that? Okay, well, here's the quick start guide. 3D printer base, 2 Z-axis pillars, 1 X-axis gantry. I'm guessing that's what this is.
It's actually this.
That's the gantry?
Yeah, it holds the hot end.
Oh, okay. Okay. Those are the Z-axis pillars. That's the X-axis gantry. 1 X-axis rail.
Yep.
2 X-axis spacers, which, I don't know, may already be attached to one of the elements.
Yeah, I don't know.
I hope.
We're just popping them in.
Full metal extruder, cable for extruder, the ribbon cable, the spool holder. Yeah, it looks like this stuff was already more or less assembled.
Yep.
Are you just guessing now as to what goes where?
I have an educated guess on how things work. 2
Okay.
goes with number 2.
Really?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
And it'll slide in
All right.
here. Like that. And then the cable will just plug in to here.
Oh, yeah, because of the lettering.
Connection.
So it's got matching lettering labels, so it's pretty easy to tell what goes where.
These are those little Allen pins through this little L bracket. They'll slide in there and we'll tighten it up with that.
Does it need to be? One here and a one down here, so, well, the labeling.
And then.
Okay, this cable.
Oh, spacers are in here, I see. So we got the hot end here. We have spacers in a bag that hasn't been opened.
That bag was not opened?
No.
Huh. How about that?
It's got numbers on it.
Okay, yeah, those are the X-axis spacers.
And
5
here's
and
your
6.
bag of
Better get these pillars torqued on. I don't want the things to fall and have the cables rip off.
wherever that goes.
Yeah, you'll notice we're totally ignoring the directions for the time being.
Oh, their directions.
Yeah, there's the quick start guide.
Together. I don't really care.
Yeah.
Curious about how this one goes on. How the hot end goes on. Slide it. Huh. I mean, it fits in, but oh. It's just friction holding that in? That's terrible if that's true.
Well,
I don't know the answer. I don't know how this connects. So this will go up and down, but it will connect to how? Don't know. I'm gonna have to read that one. I'm not sure. All right, so we just tighten up both sides of the rail on either side. I know people are riveted by you posting something.
yeah. Yeah, I can tell.
These are generally tight. There are some screws on the top that need to come out. Hold the top rail. Oh, crud.
What's the matter?
I dropped the washer all the way down the hole.
Gonna have to take it off.
Yep. Oh. Okay, there, look. There's a big one underneath that's laying in there that's going up through the hole too.
Oh, so that has to be aligned.
Yep.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna do this other one. Is that mine? What, do you think we should read the manual first?
I thought you were reading it while I was just putting some things together.
Place the base on its side.
Yeah, because we got a screw from underneath.
Slide the oh, right.
Hold that.
Here, hold on. I'm gonna detach the.
Yeah, I need to.
Okay. Well, if it tears off, it's gonna take the cable with it.
Well, if you hold it right.
I'm gonna take the
off.
cable off. Maybe. Oh, jeez.
Wow, that's not gonna be.
Hold on. It is not coming off. What am I doing wrong?
Just leave it there. I'm literally screwing that one in right now.
All right.
Okay, put it down. Push it.
It's as down as it'll go. Oh, no, it's not. Is this even in the right place? I mean, this is not moving.
Well,
Hold on.
so.
Locate the Z-axis pillar with the number 2. Slide the number 2. Is that the number 2?
Yep.
It is. Into the base vertical locker. Oh, well, if the vertical locker is in one place, then yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Now we just do the same
Tighten
thing
the
on
bolt
other
at the
side.
bottom. Okay. So fortunately, this is the first step that we happened on. Oh, geez.
Okay, can you see the nut?
Yes.
The bolt? Put your thing in there.
Got it? Yeah. All right, now tighten the Allens.
Oh, there is bolts, so you got to go in.
Okay, well,
Through.
so let's make sure everything's tightened.
Yeah, I think we might have to tighten it later. Here.
Okay, so just leave it alone for now.
I think I'll leave it all alone and
Okay.
then assemble it and then tighten it as we go. I don't know.
All
What
right.
does the instruction say?
It says, turn the base so that it rests on its feet. And the Z-axis pillars are vertical. Loosen the 2 locking bolts at the top.
Just took them out.
You're supposed to loosen them, not take them out. I'm just kidding. By about 5 millimeters, so there will be sufficient space for the X-axis gantry to slide in.
Sliding in.
How would that slide?
I guess we got to take this plastic off the ends.
Okay.
I see.
Oh, okay. Here, where's the other one?
It's a little difficult when someone has already put everything together.
Yeah. We're actually having to take a couple of things apart. Wait.
The washer.
Yeah, the washer is getting in the way. Okay.
Good?
No, I need to loosen it more. Loosened it by more than 5 millimeters, apparently. or less than. It's catching over here or something. It's clear. Why is it not going? Oh, there we go.
Because you're out.
Doesn't seem to. Oh, geez. Okay.
It'd be like somewhat tight.
Yeah. All right. Remove the plastic end caps from the gantry. Slide it under the bolt heads with the locking wash. Ensure that the number 3 and number 4 stickers are mated. Yep. Insert screwdriver through the holes. Tighten the hex bolts. Double check all bolts to ensure they are tight and that the gantry pillars and base assembly is steady and tight. Okay, so now we do need to tighten it all up.
Okay.
X-axis gantry. And I just lost a connection. Okay, now it's back.
Move your mouse a little bit once in a while.
Okay. Screw the X-axis spacers, number 5 and number 6, onto the rail. Where are the spacers? Do not tighten them so much that the spacers cannot move along the rail.
Yeah, that's much more rigid.
Did you get them all?
Yep.
This side too?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, spacers onto the actual rail. Looks like someone's... And there, like that, I guess. Yeah. Do not tighten them so that it can't move. So this is the rail that travels up and down with the actual print head on it. Okay, spacers on. Mount the rail assembly by inserting the spacers in between the rubber wheels on the Z-axis steppers. Yeah. I got this in.
Way longer.
Yeah, so is mine. It's outside, so just move it in. Whoops. Where it needs to go.
Oh, you can adjust it.
Yeah.
Ah.
And I'm trying to get that lock perpendicular in that channel. Like that. Okay. Keep it that way. Then, oh.
Loosen mine up. How far in is yours?
Like
oh, yours is way
7
further
meters.
in. Way
Is it
further.
really?
Yeah.
Does it need to come
It
over
needs to
your
come
way?
over my side.
Okay.
A whole lot.
All right, hold on.
That's not even. Okay, my circle is right on the edge.
Okay. It's loose over here.
Okay.
You good?
There's probably good. It's the rail.
Okay. Using 2 hex bolts, secure the X spacers to the Z steppers. Got it. Insert the Mk1 extruder into the extruder holder on the X-axis rail.
There's just like stick it in.
That's what it says. Insert. Yep.
Okay.
Wow, that is a mess of
Oh,
wires
no,
coming
it's
out of the
backwards.
top. I was going to say, you sure that's the way it goes?
Oh, it lines up with these holes down here.
It does?
Aha!
No. Oh, yeah. That red plate is facing out. Okay.
Yeah, and there's 4 bolts.
Using 4 remaining hex bolts to.
Yep.
In 4 places, 2 on each side.
That makes more sense. All right, I got this. Keep going.
Okay. And here's where Ben takes the rest of it.
What? It's already wired.
Yeah.
Literally plug A
Looks
and
like
A.
I have a chance at this one. Connect the wires and cables as shown in the image to the left. Are you serious? There is one image for wiring. It cannot possibly be that simple.
Yeah. Half of them are already plugged in.
Route the ribbon cable through the ribbon cable clips before connecting it at each end. So
Ribbon cable clips are up here.
look for clips. Is that what those are?
Yep. Here's a ribbon cable.
Okay. So one goes in the top of the extruder. Doesn't matter which. Or are they exactly the same? Oh, they are?
One says E.
No, they're not.
One of them says E.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, I saw an E on it.
Oh, look, E. Extruder. X-axis rail with a level.
Wow.
Yep. This is looking good. Looking a lot better than the 3-hour build with the Prusa resin printer last time. Of course, that was a resin printer. What are you doing?
My camera doesn't keep going.
It doesn't. Doesn't?
This will be the ribbon cable cover?
Hmm.
No?
No.
I don't know. It's got an E. I don't know. Oh, there's 2.
It goes up and
Easy.
to the right, looking from down there, so. Guess it's meant to travel.
Yes. Good. That's right.
Okay. Although I
It folds.
really hope that's not going to snag somehow. They're going to generate more friction and.
That's how it goes. And then this
Okay.
will fold again, where it's kind of already folded.
And it's still going to be able to travel through those holders?
Like that.
Okay.
And it goes all the way down here. I bet. Am I right?
Doesn't. Oh, wait. Down that pillar and somewhere. It should be labeled with an E.
And right under here.
Oh, yeah, there it is. Into the, okay, yeah, the front control module, duh.
These are really easily labeled.
Yeah, for real.
It's impressive how easy this is going on. Okay.
Is it seated?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it. I mean, we just built it.
That's it.
Now we level.
Oh, we have a few parts left.
We level the gantry. Okay, yeah, we have some covers.
Show that cover anywhere. And we also have some cables underneath.
Oh wait, this one's not attached. Where does this go?
Yeah, that's a good question. Is this the extruder cable? So that would make sense.
Looking for a B label.
No. A and B.
Oh, here, right there.
Aha. B goes here, so that's probably a limit switch.
Oh, is that what it is?
I'm guessing.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow, that was the easiest wiring job ever.
Boom. It probably goes on the outside. Not on the inside to interfere with
Ah,
all of the things that are going to be moving.
yeah, good call.
Go like that.
Okay.
Ta-da! This probably does go
Okay, so we
a
just
little bit more.
figure out where in the heck these little cover things are.
That's going to move up and down. Like that.
I really don't know where to put these.
I don't know.
So we've got 2 plastic caps labeled E.
Extruder.
Yeah.
Right?
But
what's the picture show?
it doesn't. It does not involve these in any of the pictures unless I'm totally missing it.
They're capped. There's one back here.
What, on the top?
It's covering this cables and
Okay.
stuff. Kind of looks like the cables are going through. Yeah, there's a little clip.
Oh, it goes down?
Possibly. It's got the 2 little knobs inside that would line up with that. They just didn't plug it in right up here, I think. What's the other one look like?
Same thing. It's just, it may be reversed.
No, it would go here. These are so tight.
Mm-hmm.
I honestly don't know.
Maybe they decided not to put it on there, and that's exactly why.
Might be. Let's just not put them on.
Okay.
We'll do it when we need to.
Yeah.
Oh, they're shoving them up front of that thing.
What do you mean?
They're going, these cables are supposed to go in front. Like that.
Oh. Oh, okay.
And then this thing goes in. But these red ones here.
They're not moving.
Well, there's room.
Please don't snap any cables.
Yeah, I don't want to snap any cables. For something that's not really needed. I just leave it like that.
Yeah, works for me.
Okay. Leveling. Turn the couplers on the Z-axis stepper to make the X-axis level. Use a small level. Well, that's crazy. How do you know if your table's level?
For real.
Well, there you go. We're not level. It's
I mean,
hitting that.
what's the point of doing this? I'll just have to level it again when it's in its resting place.
Yeah, but we'll go off level for now. Okay, we're level to
whatever this
the
tabletop is.
We're level to the bed.
All right.
There we go. Let's turn it on. Did it give me a power cord?
Oh, geez.
No? Plug the included power cord in.
I didn't see one.
Power cord doesn't need.
Looks like a normal, kind of like
Normal computer.
laptop, yeah.
Well, I have a few.
Of course, I'm wondering if it's supposed to have a brick on it of any kind that would,
No.
does it not show one?
It'd be internal, I think. I have a few we can use.
That's funny. So, came with everything but the power cord.
We're going to steal it from my Prusa for now.
Okay. I'm pretty sure I've got one at home.
Okay, here's the power cord. I'm plugging in over here. It is just a normal computer one.
Okay.
Plug it in down here. And then there's a power switch. Hopefully it turns on. Hey, it is! Hooray! Very animated and pretty.
Okay, we got what looks like a little touch screen here. From the home page, select level. Please prepare the leveling card and click next.
Underneath it.
Huh?
You just gotta put a piece of paper. It's a piece of paper.
You got a piece of paper?
Yeah, in the drawer. Where are all the papers? Where do you use the paper in your hand?
Oh, and these are the directions. Where's the paper? I don't know where you keep paper.
Top drawer on the right.
Top drawer on the right. Oh! Okay, so, well, I'm guessing it's probably got to be flat.
So as you're doing that, I will install filament holder.
Thank you.
It just slides in the rail, and then you tighten it.
So there is a way to manual level it. Okay, click next. Between the nozzle and the bed. Well, nozzle is way off the side here, but whatever.
The filament will go something like that.
Touchscreen is not incredibly sensitive. I'm having to push it a couple of times before it responds. Oh, geez. Okay, so we're trying to auto level it, which is one of the features promised. If it can do that by itself, boy, that would just be fantastic. Okay, so it's down near the paper, and it's got a little Z up and Z down. So I'm supposed to get it a little bit closer. Okay. I think right there is about where we want to be. Maybe a little bit.
This thing is massive.
Yeah, it's big.
Just for comparison shot, here is my Prusa i3 Mk3S, which it freaking dwarfs. Holy cow!
Yeah,
you can put this thing inside of it. That's crazy. So, it's big.
It's big.
It's real big. We are moving correctly, so that's good news.
Yeah.
We are completely belt driven. There's a belt up here and a belt down below. The key for belt driven things is making sure that you get it tight.
I'm thinking we may have to tighten this a little bit. Okay. Next.
You keep paper under it the whole time?
It doesn't say. I'm going to.
Filament scare you there?
Wow. So it looks like it's referencing like
It's gonna have to.
20 or 30 points on the print bed.
I set my Prusa now to do a 9x9.
Okay.
The bigger the print bed is, the bigger the more points you want, because it's got such a big mesh.
5.
But it'll mesh auto level
6,
before every time.
7.
It takes a little bit of extra time,
8.
but your print is gonna come out a whole lot better.
So it's got 8 reference points in each one of these rows it's going. So I mean, it's going to be like 50 or 60 different points by the time it's all done. And I think this little red LED on top is actually going off when it makes slight contact with
Well, it's
the surface.
measuring the distance from the bed.
Oh, is that what it's doing?
Mm-hmm. My Prusa has the same kind of thing called
Okay.
the probe.
And it looks like that's the end of it. That was auto leveling. Once the auto leveling is complete, it will remember the leveling data for future printing. You don't have to level the bed each time unless you feel it may not be leveled. Auto leveling is for general print purposes. If you need some special layer thickness or other special purpose, you may need to adjust the 4 bolts under the bed.
I think we're supposed to auto level without that paper when it was doing that.
Oh,
we'll see.
really?
Let's print something and see
choose
how it goes.
and follow the instructions. Okay.
Does it have a start?
There is a network cable and what appears to
It's
be
not a network. It's
a what is that, a USB?
It's a big USB
It's
port.
a big honking USB and something I don't recognize next to it.
SD card.
It's an
we'll
SD
put the
card.
SD card slot in
Oh,
there.
right,
No
the
one can see
SD
it 'cause you're
card.
in front of the camera.
Oh, sorry guys.
Goes in upside down and you push and click. I don't know if there's anything on the file. I guess what's on there is a butterfly.
Okay, I'm just gonna look around for a minute.
Yeah.
Settings, PID settings,
That's that little red thing going off.
motor
It's
settings.
temperature, motor sensor, factory reset. We have.
Okay. I'm having to double tap
you're
every
having to
single
touch it pretty
time.
hard.
No,
we
I mean,
have
I
level,
think.
print, and utilities. So let's click on utilities.
Oh, okay, we got preheat, home XYZ, move XYZ, cool down. Yeah, for real. Change filament or disable motors. So we're gonna home it first. Okay, how am I supposed to get files onto this massive SD card that is not like adaptable to a USB thumb drive?
It's a normal SD card.
Yeah, but how do I get stuff from my computer onto that SD card? Okay.
Filament in there. We're gonna add filament. And it gives us an option, PLA, ABS, or other. We're going to do PLA because that's what it came with. And now it's going to preheat the hot end to 200 for us to be able to stick the filament in. We use the crappy filament it came with.
Yeah.
So it's got this lever right here.
I'm going to depress that, feed it through on the top.
Yeah.
Probably what we're going to do.
Like that. It's going to be hard because you don't want to put your finger down.
Yeah, it's going to be easy to burn the tip of your index finger if you're not careful.
How hot are we so far?
We are 70 degrees out of 200. Whoa. Okay, look at how fast it's going now.
Yeah, it's not
81,
super fast.
82, 83, 84. That's faster than the reality. Yeah.
But it's slower than the Prusa.
Well, yeah. So it looks like we're a half step between those two. And again, we're guessing this is probably Creality. Yeah, that's worlds easier than actually cutting the thing and dragging it tighter.
Yes.
Still not quite as tight as it could be, though.
Needs some tightening.
You think?
Yeah.
This one does too.
Oh yeah. We'll get to that.
Okay. I mean, can you do it with these just by bending them closer together?
That's apparently.
It's kind of cool.
It's a good idea.
Hmm.
Eventually they'll lose their spring though, so.
That's true.
How hot are we now?
174 of 200. 180. 190. 198.
I think it just tried to unload filament. Of course, we don't have any filament.
Is that what it did? I heard it do something.
We have no filament in there.
All right, it's a 200.
Okay.
So what do you think?
Does it say
change filament? It says back. So I'm going to go back. Add filament.
Add filament.
PLA.
So we'll just try to shove some in.
Once filament begins extruding, please back to stop. So maybe it's going to try to extrude it automatically once it sends. Here you go.
The motor is working in there. Look up.
Oh, is it feeding it?
It's spinning, but it's not grabbing.
Okay. Yeah, we're going to have to, careful. You have to pull this thing. Ah! All right, try it again.
Look up.
Okay. Yeah, I think I can see where it's supposed to be. Is it dragging it?
No.
You sure?
Yeah, I can feel it.
Pull it.
My fingers are not moving, so
Okay, try pulling it back out from there.
I can't. You gotta depress
Well,
it.
then I don't understand why it's not grabbing it.
Let me cut it straighter.
Because you can visually check it. You can see where it's supposed to be.
No one on the camera can, but yes.
Yes, no one on camera can.
Bring the camera in.
We'll do which one? This one?
Yeah. There we go. I just didn't shove it down far enough.
Okay.
It's pulling it through.
All right. So here in a minute, we should see some of that white PLA melting through the print head.
Is there a stop, or does it just keep going?
It just says once filament begins extruding, press back to stop.
Okay.
So, standing by.
It's not pulling it.
Is it not dragging it?
It did in the beginning. Started to.
Okay, I can see it. It's where, oh, okay.
Popping there.
Yeah, it was starting to not. See, it's in place. It's between
It's still feeding.
that feeder gear. Oh, it is?
Yeah, you just got to really, and it stops right here. I wonder if we have a clog inside. Does it stop?
Okay.
I can't pull it out anymore. Oh. I pull this up to make it tougher.
No, it's dragging the motor.
Yeah.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh, we do have some coming out. Not very well.
No. It's probably just a clog, but it's going to have to clear in a minute. I hope.
No. It's going to make it worse. Hit back. I'm just going to pull it. Do a quick pull.
Well, do you think it would help
Still
to
have any in there? Yes.
raise the temperature higher for ABS and see if it melts whatever is in there
Sure.
out?
Yeah. Let's raise the Z height.
Okay.
Get a little bit farther away. I think we're gonna have to take it apart and undo the clog.
Okay. How far?
You're gonna get a tool down there, so can't get my hand down there. Can you do it more than that at a time?
Nope. Well, I'm sure I can. This says extruder flow in or out. What does that
you
even
can
mean?
push it in or out. Turn the extruder on. All right, we'll stay there.
Okay.
That's good. All right, preheat the ABS.
All right.
What happens? Could be this filament. This filament is from them, and it's usually garbage.
Okay, we're going to heat it to 240 instead of 200 and see if that will clear the clog. You think we should keep shooting or shut it down?
I'll live here.
Over the mantle.
Yeah. How hot are we?
200 right now.
Okay.
It was building back up from 160 or so. 220.
220 should be good.
230. I wonder if this is ABS and PLA.
Yeah, but ABS might have been
Might have been in there
I don't know,
already.
we shoved it down. I mean, I shoved a lot in there. So.
I mean, it looks like it was the same stuff. The butterfly.
I'm thinking we have a clog. We'll have to unclog it.
Okay, 240. So, you mean just manually, like trying to ram it through? I'm thinking you're going to have it feeding to help you.
Yeah.
Okay. Where were we? Were we at print?
No. Settings? No. Or, I'm sorry. Yeah. We were in change filament or extruder.
Change filament?
Extruder motor?
Yeah. Add filament.
Do ABS.
Okay. Okay. Let's try. Okay, so it's in motion.
It's pulling it. It is pulling it in. And it stopped right there.
Something's trying to come out.
It can't push any more through.
Okay. Well, wait, just give it a minute. Something's feeding out the bottom a little bit.
Yeah, it's not good.
Oh, okay, it broke through. I see a big glob.
Now it's coming out.
Now it's coming out. Don't burn yourself.
Oh, well.
And it quit again.
We got a clog. Oh, this spring isn't speedy enough to push it back up.
Does it not have enough pressure in place?
The spring doesn't
itself?
seem like it has enough.
Because that's what we need right there.
Yep.
A rate like that. But it won't do that by itself.
It doesn't want to. I've got to push it up. I think taking a purple hot in might be a necessary evil.
Okay.
But let's try print. Now we got flow, so it still could be clogged. Let's stop it and try print.
It's not going to print like this, though.
Stop it and try it.
But it won't.
Well, then turn it off and let's rip the head off.
All right, let's try printing.
I'd rather just try print it.
Okay.
Does it have a file on the print?
Let's find out, although it's heated for ABS right now. Okay.
It'll change to whatever it is.
Print. Butterfly. So I guess I'm going to hit continue, or should I home it again before I start this?
Should do all that when you hit start.
Okay. Here we go. Maybe. It's not wanting to do anything. You can pause it. That's cool. But it's not going anywhere.
The bed is going up. It's got to reach temperature first.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I got to give it a minute to think.
The temperature extruder is going down and the bed is going up.
Does it know the difference
Yes.
between ABS and...
Yeah.
No, I mean between ABS and...
The file is
PLA.
programmed for it.
Oh, right. That's why.
Have you printed before?
Huh?
Have you printed before?
Never. Well, once or twice. Okay, I don't understand why the extruder is dropping now. What the heck?
No print.
No print needed. Okay.
Okay. I think maybe because you continue like 50 million times.
Yeah, okay. So it's building back up
It's
now.
building the extruder back up. The bed is correct bed temp. And we're right there. We're like point something off.
Oh.
And there we go. All right, let's see if it actually goes. I think it's got a clog and we need to unclog it. The hot end needs to be rebuilt, I think. We'll see. See how it actually prints. Doesn't prime the nozzle.
No.
No flow. It's trying. It's spinning inside.
So stop it. Oh.
If I go back and hold
it. Because you're putting pressure on it.
Putting pressure on it so it'll grab the filament. We have an issue there.
And then
it's also too high.
Is it?
I think so.
Okay.
So we're gonna have to rebuild the hot end.
All right. So stop it or pause it?
We might as well stop.
Okay. Are you sure? That's a pretty good question, actually.
So we don't know if this is from the person who owned this before because it was an open box, or is just a problem with the hot end. But
this thing sure seems to jiggle a lot.
Oh yeah, that is not tight in any way. So we got to tighten that up as well. That's terrible. So we got some tightening up. But that's the machine. That's as much as we can do unless you want to show them rebuilding a hot end.
I don't think that's necessary. Terrible. Yeah. All right. Well, looks like it's going to take a little more work, but we're going to tear apart the hot end, see what's up, and tighten the bed. And hopefully have it running.
Yep.
Thanks for watching.
Bye. He'll come back at you with a video, a summary video. How about that?
Yeah, I'll do that.
And actually printing.
All right. See ya.